Next question says, the exchange of factors of production for income occurs in the blank market. And so this is just a definition question. It's a factors market. And that's where you exchange factors of production. And that's different from a labor market, or that's different from a finished products market. And so the factor market is simply that market for inputs for production. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. So they said, factor market in economics, the factor market may be defined as a market that facilitates the sale and purchase of services of factors. Factor inputs like land, labor, capital, etc. in return for factor incomes like rent, interest, or wages. Factors of production exchanged in the factor market is used by other manufacturing firms to produce goods and services for the final consumption of goods and services. For example, the labor market is a factor market. There's derived demand for factor in the market since it is used as an input for the production of finished products. So what I meant when I said they're different is that the factor market is the overall umbrella of markets for factors of production, and the labor market is one of those subcategories. And these are all markets that are different from that market that you and I might be used to, like going to a store and buying something, and that's a market for finished products. And so this is a good answer. And we don't have anything else to add on to that, really.